Hello, warriors. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Kyeiwaa, and I warmly welcome you all. If you're a new person here, I say Akwaba to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And also share the video. If you're an old person here, thank you very much for your support and also coming back again. Today, I'm going to show you how I make this ebunebunu ofie nifi ankasa. Okay, how I make this abunabunu with my spinach. Where I am, I couldn't find contumely, but I love the spinach version too. I love it. It was so tasty. It really took me back home. I love it with the meats and everything. So watch to the end, okay? So with this recipe, I'm going to use some mushroom. You can use any type. This is the type that I'm using. I'm also going to use some fresh fish, and I'm also going to use some meat here, and I have one dry fish around and my salted fish. That's momone. With that momone. And I'm going to use some shrimp for the taste of it. I like it. I'm going to also use some salt to taste. And I have some spices here, some paprika, curry powder, all spices, and also garlic spices here. I also going to use some veggies here. I have my okra. I have spring onion, and I'm also going to use one onion. These are the tomatoes I'm going to use. I'm going to use this green peppers and also one hot pepper here. There's a blend of garlic and ginger here. And I'm also going to use 2 packs of fresh spinach. This 2 pack of it, 2 pack is nice and okay. Okay, we're going to combine our fresh meat and fish together. I just wanted to steam the fish a little bit, just a little with the meat here. I'm going to add my salt and my spices to it. There's the blended garlic and ginger that I'm going to add, and I'm going to add all the spices to it and allow it to just simmer for just some few minutes. And I'll take my fish out because I don't want my fish, as I always say, I don't like my fish melting in my soup. So normally I just steam it in the beginning and take it out and add it to the soup at the end of the soup. Now our soup has been on fire for about a little about 3 minutes. I said that I just wanted the flavor to be on the fish. I'll be taking it out, but I'm going to add my chopped onions to it and the tomatoes. Going to add them and just take off the fish from the soup. I'm adding my peppers to it because I just needed the fish to just simmer a little with it. Now our meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and I can see it is done. It has simmered really nicely. You know, having all the spices on this meat. Wow, you can even start smell the aroma here. It's nice. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to it and also add the mushrooms to it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water to it to the level that I want my soup to be, about half the pot or if you want more than that, you can add more water to it. And I'm going to take my green peppers out of it. I'm going to blend them with my spinach. You can see that I've also already also taken my tomatoes out of it. I did not use canned tomato or tin tomatoes because of the reddish color. If you want to achieve the green soup that you want, you will not try that tomatoes because of the reddish color. It will just neutralize the color of the green. That's why I just use the fresh tomato. So now with the spinach, I'm going to just pour hot water on it, and I'm just going to blend it. If you want to achieve that green look, it's better you do it this way. If you boil it, you're going to lose that color from the heat on fire for long. So with this, you just drain the water out of it, and I'll have my nice green color, and I'll blend it. So this is the amount or the remaining of my spinach from the hot water. You don't need it to be in the hot water for long. Just drain it right away and blend them. Okay, now I'm going to blend my spinach and the spring onions and my green peppers. I'm going to blend everything together and add it to the soup. My soup has been on fire for about 10 minutes and it has been cooking well. I've already blended the tomatoes that I took out of the soup, and I've already added it to it. I'm going to add this to it. So you have to make sure that your soup cook to its fullest before you add your greens. This one, it doesn't need to be on the fire for long. So make sure that your soup cooks well on fire before adding the greens to it. So let's check how our soup is doing. Wow, you can smell it from even 100 miles away. Just kidding. My soup is already done. I've added the okra to it, and I've added the fish back to it. I'm going to add the greens to it. You can see I'm adding the greens to it. You don't need for it to be on fire for long after you have added your greens to it. Okay, just let it simmer for about 5 minutes and you are good to go. That's why you have to allow your soup to boil for a while or cook well before you add your greens, because this is a bunabunu and you don't want to lose the color of it, because you're going to use it with your menke fufu, which I used. Okay, it was tasty, it was nice, and I love it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, and give a thumbs up for a sister, okay, and also share the video. And as I always say, warriors, don't give up, okay? God is our strength. When you are a woman, you have family here and there, it's not easy. When the children comes along, oh my God, it's not easy. But God is your strength. You can make it, okay? Please like and subscribe and also share the video. Now I'll say, who wants some? Who wants some? Who wants some? My ebunabuni is ready. I'm just going to allow it to just simmer on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. And it is ready with my menken fufu. The kids love it. I love it. And you will also enjoy it. Okay. Thanks for watching and bye.